Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. And today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2026 Grand Design Reflection, and this is the 320 MKS fifth wheel. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you do have a nice molded fiberglass front cap that is all redesigned for 2026. Nice LED light strip down below and on each side. There is some front storage, vented battery box, battery disconnect, your solar charge controllers located in here as well, along with your solar disconnect. And then right around the corner is your pass-through storage. You do have your electronic leveling control panel right inside the door, plenty of lighting, rubber flooring, and then you also have your water system here, which includes your outside shower. Shows a nice diagram on where to put all your valves based on how you're camping, and then has your gray and black water tank pulls right inside here. 50 amp power cord, that is a detachable power cord. Furrion on-demand hot water heater is located right there. There are 3 slides total on the 320 MKS. And then on the back you do have exterior ladder, receiver hitch with 4-way wiring, and reverse lights. This is rated for 3,000 pounds, 300 pounds of tongue weight. 2 electric awnings with LED lighting. One right off the slide out here, which gives you nice coverage for your outdoor kitchen, which includes a refrigerator and flat top griddle. The reflections do come with the anti-lock braking system, upgraded CRE 3000 suspension system. Really nice solid steps with the large grab handle railing there. And then here's the other side of that pass-through storage. And as we walk in, you do have your Compass Connect control panel, which you can sync to your smartphone. You've got your master light switches, awning switches, and slide out switches, along with your 12-volt tank heater button and water pump. Nice fold-out couch there that will go out and do a bed if you need it, with storage up above. Reclining theater seats, which are directly across from the TV. TV is on a televator, so that will pop up right in front of that window above the fireplace. Fireplace will provide you with about 5,000 BTUs of additional heat. And then you have your table and chairs on one side and booth on the other. The booth is removable and can be used as an ottoman for the couch up front. Really nice computer desk area, office space with storage up above, 2 windows. You've got USB, USB-C, and outlets located right on the wall there. Does have the French door 12-volt refrigerator and freezer, 3-burner, large oven with storage down below, and full-size microwave. All solid surface countertops. Another outlet right there, along with more storage. Really nice center island. Huge sink, Tons of storage down below. You do have a fantastic fan with rain sensor right near the 3-burner in the oven as well. And as we head up to the upper deck, you do have your digital thermostat along with your control panel for your roof vent. And in the bathroom, you've got sink, storage, medicine cabinet, another 12-volt fan, and a nice large shower with a seat, an additional light, and more storage with the towel rack right by the toilet. Bedroom area does have a full bed slide. This is optioned with the queen bed. Nightstands on each side with reading lights up above. Window on each side of the bed. And then you do have another air conditioner located in the bedroom. Huge closet area. Plenty of storage up above and down below. Has a nice shoe rack built in. And then alongside the closet, you do have another wardrobe for hanging clothes, or you can remove the shelves and it's got washer dryer preppers also. There is a TV backer location on this wall here with hookups if you'd like to add an additional TV. And you have a dresser down below. We'll do one more walk around to the floor plan. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2026 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS fifth wheel, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.